This was an idea that actually started in 2013 when we thought, could we bring a world-class natatorium to the district? We made trips to Oklahoma for their filtration system. We made trips to Louisville, multiple trips to Rockwall, multiple trips to the pool at SMU to try to find out what worked for them and what didn't work for them. Behind us is we have a revolutionary pool with multiple uses, including water polo. Water polo is about to be approved by the UIL as a sport.
We have a great staff, and we're looking forward to bringing in swim meets at the high school level, but also at the regional level.
We have seating for over 1,200 people, which is larger than almost any other pool in the state. Behind me, you could see a brand new scoreboard that other districts are already talking about. How do we do it? So we have two scoreboards here. On the side over there, we have 12 feet of space. The other pool said, make it bigger, so we did.
We have plenty of locker room space. We have a lot of deck space. We have lots of lane space. And so that really gives each high school the opportunity to grow.
This is a pool where we're going to be able to teach all of our second graders water safety. We also have this pool design rail. Right here, there'll be a wheelchair lift. So on one day of the week, all of our special needs kids will be able to come and learn how to swim.
We've been able to expand swimming and diving programs at all the high schools. We have over 130 boys and girls right now that are swimming with us. So we're excited about just getting in here, allowing them to grow.
Today was an exciting event as we decided to have some fun and have the trustees fill up the pool. We've had inquiries from all around the area for swimming clubs to want to rent the facility. We've had our citizens who are very excited to come here and swim when they have the capacity to do that. So these are all the exciting things that are about to happen, and we're real close to this natatorium having our grand opening.